Guys, so it's pretty hectic at the moment. I've got a lot of calls and back to back. If this trade hits take profit, this is going to secure a very, very big bag. What is it, like 11.53R now? Everything making sense? Right, here we go. So 2 trades back in, and we were on tilt last week, so we've just recovered from that. We had a secured trade today, and then currently now we're running on the next trade at the moment. So I'm looking, if this trade hits take profit, this is going to secure a very, very big bag, and I'll be very, very happy. So I'm going to monitor this trade and then keep you guys updated. This high is now a purple circle. He's no longer human, he's turned into a purple. Guys, I literally spoke to 2 seconds ago. I was looking at a potential trade, but I think it might be pushing without me, because right at the moment we're looking to push higher. We've got a pattern A here on the 1140, had a continuation, and we're pushing. I reckon this is going to continue. So yesterday we had the massive drop, which was what I was waiting for. Ended up going on tilt on that, but that is all on Twitter for you to see if you guys want to see me fail. But that is part of life. Failure is the part of success, not the opposite. So back in the office at the moment with beautiful, beautiful views. It's actually really nice today. We've got Isaac in the background there making too much money. Now he's going to sponsor me. And now I'm just going to get a little bit of catch-up call with High and Gus. Guys, so it's pretty hectic at the moment. I've got a lot of calls and back to back, and then I've got gym. So we're filming on the gimbal and I'm at home. I'm currently in a trade at the moment. This is going to be a very important trade, because if I pass this, then I'll be able to pass the Ftmo verification, which is pretty cool. So currently in a trade at the moment. We've got 2 scaled in positions here. There's a little bit of a late entry. I don't know if we can see. So that's the current profit. We've got a stop loss below just the previous price action here. We're looking to retest those highs. If we go on to the trade and view chart, this was the idea that we have, and we're looking for a little bit further than the 2R actually. On the left hand side, we've basically held this support. We're looking to push further to test this resistance, vice versa. And then on a higher time frame, we've pulled all the way back down, bounced on the support. We're looking easily to retest the Tokyo high. So yet again, hopefully this is another iteration that, like, you know, if you see these trades and you're getting used to these vlogs, all these trades look exactly the same in terms of the pattern recognition. It's in terms of, like, I'm doing the same thing every single day, day in and day out. The only difference is the results, right? Sometimes they win, sometimes they lose, sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe bad,
sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
And that's pretty much it. So let's see how this trade goes and pan it out. Still trying to get this push up onto the upside. We're still looking good on the 3 minute, where price is still pushing higher. We're just trying to see if we can push up to the next zone and see if we can hit this TP here. So I've got this trade on multiple accounts. So if this hits, we're gonna pass Ftmo and Alpha Capital again. So let's see. Have an update on this trade. So currently we've pulled all the way back down to entry. So we can see here it's back into entry point here. Making my decision based on the 10 minutes. The trade still looks valid. Obviously it's had a huge wick down, and we had a bounce on Tokyo low. But not only that, if we look on the higher time frame, this has also tested the all-time previous high all here, which is if I can draw it all the way from here. So we're going to have some sort of reaction and resistance, but for now my plan says to hold. So we're just going to wait until the next 8 minutes and see if we can get the candle to turn green here, and then we should see a continuation. If not, then trade will take me out. and it is what it is. So just trying to share the psychology of the trades. I'm just in here monitoring this. My trades normally average 20 minutes. 20 to 40 minutes is what I got from Edgewonk, so that's the data it's given me. So we're just going to see. I think this trade, it could go either or. Right now, if it rejects and pushes up, then we've got a very high chance of making a new higher high. If it doesn't and rejects here, then we'll just have a pullback and then just melt, and then I'm out of the trade. Then drawdown. It pushed up in profit and pulled all the way back down. My lunch finally came, I destroyed it. Couldn't even share with you. But I just want to quickly share some insights. Right now is obviously annoying because it went to profit and then pulled away back down, and now it's into draw now. But the reason I'm holding on to the trade, and I've got to be okay with it, and this is the thought process I'm trying to share with you, is on the 10 minutes we still have everything in favor. So we've got the push, the first leg, we had a pullback and we got a continuation. Moving averages are in our favor. I do believe we can get a new all-time high. Higher time frames also agree. Yes, we've got a slight resistance, and then also we could really easily fill this high here and push higher. Now the opportunity is there. The question is the market going to give it to me? And look, I can't control that. That's not something I can control, but what I can control is just understanding that over the period of time, the odds will and the edge will pay itself out. So right now, if this can push up and above, it's just gone into that. Just needs to break up that previous high, and then we can get a continuation candle. I've tightened the stop loss a little bit from now, and then I've got phone calls to make after this trade. Day in the life, baby. Yeah, I think this might hit stop loss. We can see like this is just broken the moving average now. 10 minutes is still in favor. So we've got 4 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. So this candle will bring in a new candle in 30 minutes. So it's very close. Very, very close. Ended up pulling all the way back to like roughly break even, very close to the stop loss. New 30-minute candle is in. This could just melt and then take me out, but green here, 10 minutes is still in favor as well. Just gonna be sitting here waiting for this trade for a long time, although actually right now it's pushing quite aggressively down. Now you may ask to set and forget, but the thing is I'm able to, reason I like being here is I'm able to take positions off if it scales out or the markets are ugly. Or right now if a trade ended up closing or pushes aggressively, once it's gone in like further profit, then I'll look to try and secure the trade and then just minimize the loss. It's just more, able to manage the trade as opposed to set and forgetting. Now setting and forgetting I really think is more for like swing trading, so like these types of trades. So we had a bounce here, we have our entry, stop loss down below, and this trade took half a day anyway, so this is a trade you would have to set and forget. And then here's another one which we did a full webinar for. But yeah, this vlog is just showing you this trade and the emotions. So it's kind of like in, are we in, are we out, are we in, are we out? And I've kind of demolished my food. There we have it. Trade hit stop loss. It's right here. So around here. And that's it. Now what I do now is I'm going to go review the trade, and then I'll come back in about 2 hours, 3 hours once the market's kind of had a few more movements, review the trade and take it from there. Now I have journaled this all on our journal here, which is on Discord, so I'm just kind of sharing it with the team members on there. So either way, that was the process of the trade. I was just going through my mindset, what I was doing through the trade, how I'm thinking, and the entry, the whole shebang. So yeah, on to the next clip. Now we've got so many calls to catch up with, so I'm literally just going to close all of this down and get straight to work. I've already started on my iPad just journaling what I've got to do next and just get cracking on. Alright, so I've got a meeting here with Kimmel. What the fuck is this guy doing? This is why I always say Kimmel is hilarious. If you guys honestly, like, I know you guys see him on the YouTube sort of thing, so if you just knew him 50% in person, the guy is fucking hilarious, mate. Not only does he remind me of a mini version of me, but he's just 10 times funnier. Morning everyone. And we have a party bags because it's Blake's birthday. Yay! So we're just gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna get my hair cut, and it is freezing. Look at the car. And we have Guz. Well, can we see? There we go. Look how clear and sharp you look. He is the student of the month. Congrats to you, bro. Doing, what is it, like 11.53R now, everything making sense. We had the call, I think, where I was talking about you and why, like how things were gonna make it happen, and then look at this month, bro. What do you have to say?
Yeah, mate. It was probably the best month ever since I started this journey. And yeah, I mean, keep pushing. I'm not feeling overconfident. I know I have to keep doing the work, keep being consistent, and compounding those those wins. So yeah.
That's it. He's killing it. So I'm gonna say that's it, man. If you want to be one of them, that's it. They know where to find us, guys, innit? Come and join the Winner Circle program. We just got in on that pattern A on the 3 minute. It was a continuation, first leg push, and hopefully we can come up all the way to the 1940 mark and look a little bit higher. And then looking at villas as well. Got Guz and Purple High and myself. Trade hit take profit. I put a little tighter take profit because I wanted to secure the win, especially after going on tilt. Ultimately, it's really important just to kind of captivate yourself in your trading. So me and Isaac just went to go get this coconut flat white, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog so far. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying it. We're trying to do more of these vlogs, getting more of these contents and getting more active with them. I'm going to Dubai and also Thailand, so I'm going to try and capture those vlogs as well. But I really appreciate all of you guys supporting me so far. It's been really, 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 really grateful. Just really grateful. So thank you.